Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and help my community to grow. Today I thought I'd make a really easy bracelet. And I'm going to use some stones I purchased. I believe it was from Dollar Tree. I have several. I've got these and I got these, which there's no holes. It's just like a little diamond shape. And then I also have beads that have letters on them. But I think I'm going to stick to these really shiny beads. And, so simple, I'm just going to drop them right into the mold. Just like that. And you can fill up the mold as much as you want with the beads, or you could just do a one layer. I think it'll take at least 2 layers. And I have a lot of beads. And when you're putting them in, so simple also, just open it up, drop your bead in. And then when you're pouring your resin in, you can do the same. You can open it up slightly like this and just take your resin and pour that in. Oops, that one got away. Okay, so I have one layer pretty much all the way around. I see a couple gaps. So now I'm just going to keep adding more till it goes almost to the top, like that one. That one might drop down a little bit. And you can have them facing whichever way you want. If you want to be real precise and get them in there so that they face a certain way, you can. I am just dropping them in. Making sure they're all in there. Nice and snug. This one looks like it's a little bit too packed. I'm just moving them around a little bit so that they're not so packed in there. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay. All right, so now the next step is to pour your resin in. Now I'm not using any colorant. You could if you want. I am just using clear resin. And I'm going to take my time pouring it in. As you can see, I'm just going in little sections, opening up the mold slightly. You can do it from this side also, and pouring some resin in. And I'm just doing little by little because I don't want it to overflow. Okay, so it's starting to fill up and it's getting to the place where I'd like it to be. I'd like it to fill all the way to the top. And as you're filling it, give it a little time so it can sink down. You want it down underneath the bottom layer of these little diamond beads. I see a few bubbles. Okay. All right, now that it's filled, I'm going to cure this for approximately 5 minutes, just because the beads are in there and I want it to cure all the way around them. And then I'm going to turn it over and cure for another 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Now that it's cured, we can remove it from the mold. You can see what it looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can see all the little like diamond shapes in there, and they remain sparkly, so that's good. Wow, can you see them? They're a little bit shiny there. I can see some shine here. Oh, that worked out really well. Well, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. In the description box below, you will find a link to my Etsy shop, which is Creations by Laurel, and you'll also find a link to the supplies I used today, and my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.